I will introduce a seat to you. The fabric is smooth and soft sponge and leather. Right armrest, a telescopic vertical screen. Screen operation. Slide rail function can be adjusted front and rear. Leg support function can be adjusted up and down. Massage function, pneumatic massage, relax the body, relieve fatigue. Temperature adjustment function can be ventilated and heated with 3 gears respectively. Back adjustment function can be adjusted up to 180 degrees. Shoulder function can be adjusted forward and backward. These two keys simultaneously adjust the backrest and slide rails to adjust forward and backward. Headrest manual adjustment. Take a look at the button function on the seat. With USB interface, one storage box on the right-hand side.